Welcome back to 10 Minutes Travel. If you're thinking of taking a trip to the breathtaking city of Larnaca in Cyprus, you've come to the perfect place. Today, we have an incredible selection of the top 10 activities to engage in while in Larnaca that will ensure your visit remains unforgettable. Larnaca is renowned as one of the finest coastal destinations in Cyprus. For the majority of tourists, the main attractions in this area are centered around the sun, sea, and sand. The beaches in Larnaca itself, as well as those further east along the coast near Agia Napa, are easily accessible and offer a delightful experience. Here are 10 highly rated tourist attractions and activities to experience in Larnaca, Cyprus. Number 10, soak up the sun on the Agia Napa Bay beaches. Cyprus's most renowned beaches are all located in the southeastern part of the island near the town of Agia Napa, which is approximately 45 kilometers to the east of Larnaca. The top attraction among tourists is Nisi Beach, a lengthy stretch of pristine white sand with a rock outcrop on an island just off the western side of Agia Napa town. This beach is also an ideal spot for capturing picturesque images of Cyprus. It's important to note that Nisi Beach tends to get extremely crowded during the summer months due to its beauty. If you're looking to avoid the crowds, you can head over to Kermia Beach, which is around 2 kilometers east of Agia Napa. Although smaller in size, it is equally as beautiful. Another option is Konos Beach, located 2 kilometers east of Kermia Beach, which is particularly suitable for families with children who want to enjoy the water, as the sea here is calmer compared to other areas. Number 9, admire the interior of the Agios Lazarus. The Emperor Leo VI constructed the church in the 9th century, and it was meticulously restored during the 17th century. Featuring 4 domes above the nave, the church's roof is supported by 4 sets of double columns. An exceptional feature is the pulpit, elaborately adorned in gilt, which is uniquely situated within one of these columns. Another column houses a silver icon from 1659, depicting Saint Lazarus. For a remarkable example of Baroque wood carving, be sure to marvel at the exquisitely detailed iconostasis. Adjacent to the iconostasis, a staircase leads down to the tomb of Lazarus. It is worth noting that any remains discovered there in 890 CE, potentially belonging to Lazarus himself, were relocated to Constantinople and later to Marseille. Within the church, you will also find impressive paintings of the Virgin and Child, as well as St. George and the Dragon. Across the courtyard from the church, visitors can explore the Byzantine Museum, which houses a collection of religious icons and relics. Number 8, dive the Zenobia Wreck. The Zenobia Wreck is a popular tourist attraction in Cyprus, particularly for scuba divers. In 1980, this cargo ship from Sweden overturned just outside of Larnaca Bay. The vessel, carrying tractor-trailers valued at approximately $200 million, has since become renowned as one of the world's premier wreck diving sites. Divers of all skill levels have the opportunity to explore the wreck. Newly certified PADI divers can venture down to the starboard side of the ship, while more experienced divers can descend even further to explore the car decks and interior of the vessel. Dive companies in Larnaca, as well as those in Paphos and other resort towns in Cyprus, offer trips to the Zenobia Wreck. Number 7, Musan, the Museum of Underwater Sculpture. Agia Napa, Musan, is a recently established tourist attraction in Cyprus. This groundbreaking project, the first of its kind worldwide, combines an underwater sculpture park with a reef conservation initiative spanning 175 meters within Agia Napa's marine protected zone. Eco-artist Jason DeCaris Taylor has designed 93 sculptures on the seabed, creating an underwater forest that serves as a sanctuary for marine life. Additionally, the sculptures form a captivating and enchanting underwater world that both snorkelers and divers can explore. The depth of the seabed ranges from 8 to 10 meters, allowing snorkelers to enjoy impressive views from the water's surface, as some of the sculptures rise up to 8 meters high. However, to fully immerse yourself in the experience and explore the depths of the sculpture park, certification as a diver is required. Located on Pernera Beach, Musan is situated 2 kilometers west of central Agia Napa and 43 kilometers east of Larnaca. Number 6, day trip to Stavrovouni Monastery, located approximately 40 kilometers west of Larnaca. On a rugged clifftop, Stavrovouni Monastery stands in splendid seclusion, offering breathtaking panoramic vistas of the surrounding countryside. This area has historically played a significant role in local religious customs. During the period when Cyprus was under Greco-Roman rule, the summit of this site was home to a temple dedicated to the goddess Aphrodite. In 327 CE, Empress Helena, the mother of Emperor Constantine, sponsored the construction of the monastery to replace the temple. She also entrusted the monastery monks with a fragment of the Holy Cross. At that time, Cyprus was plagued by venomous snakes, and it was believed by local Christians that the presence of the Holy Cross under the care of the monks put an end to the snake infestation. During the Arab invasions in the 15th century, the original monastery was destroyed by fire. The current structure dates back to the 19th century. Number 5, explore the lanes of Lefkara. The villages surrounding Larnaca offer a unique opportunity to experience the authentic Cypriot lifestyle. One of the must-visit places is the charming village of Lefkara, located to the west of Larnaca. Lefkara is renowned for its exquisite lace production and is a treasure trove of well-preserved mansion architecture, cozy cafes, and numerous lace shops. Here, local women can be seen basking in the sun as they skillfully create intricate lace pieces for sale. The fame of Lefkara lace stems from a local tale that claims Leonardo da Vinci himself purchased a lace item here back in 1481, destined to be used as an altar cloth in Milan's cathedral. Once you have finished indulging in some retail therapy, meander through the winding alleys that will lead you to the Lefkara Local Museum. This fascinating museum showcases dioramas depicting traditional local life and provides a wealth of information about the village's history. Number 4, visit the Hala Sultan Te. One of the top attractions for nature enthusiasts near Larnaca City is the tranquil and stunning Hala Sultan Te. Situated on the western side of Larnaca's Salt Lake, just 3 kilometers west of central Larnaca, this mosque and shrine holds great significance for Muslims. It is dedicated to Haram, the wet nurse of the Prophet Muhammad, who is believed to have passed away at this location after falling from her donkey. In 645 CE, a shrine was constructed over her tomb. The present-day mosque was built by the Ottomans in 1816. Larnaca's Salt Lake is a protected nature reserve where visitors can observe large groups of flamingos and ducks during the spring season. As the summer progresses, the lake dries up completely, leaving behind a shimmering white layer of salt. Number 3, admire the architecture of Agia Napa Monastery, located just 45 kilometers to the east of Larnaca. Agia Napa boasts a renowned Venetian-built monastery, situated at the heart of the town. This monastery, constructed towards the end of the Venetian era on the island, stands atop a cave that served as a safe haven for an icon of the Virgin Mary during the tumultuous times of the Byzantine iconoclasm. In the 16th century, a nobleman's daughter from Venice established this monastery as a secluded sanctuary after her father opposed her marriage to a commoner. Within its premises, she built 2 churches, one Catholic and one Orthodox, which now share the same roof. Number 2, hike the trails of Cape Greco. To experience breathtaking coastal views while hiking or taking a leisurely walk, make your way to Cape Greco, located 60 kilometers east of Larnaca. This national park, situated between Agia Napa and Protaras, is the southernmost point of the island. The trails here are easy and suitable for families looking to enjoy a nature walk, as well as experienced hikers. They wind around the tall cliffs, offering panoramic vistas of the Mediterranean Sea beyond. If you wish to pause and take in the beauty of the seascape from above. There are numerous benches strategically placed along the cliff edge. For those seeking a more active adventure, there are staircases carved into the cliffs that provide access to some of the sea caves below. Number 1, stop at Larnaca Aqueduct, the magnificent aqueduct, which was built in 1746, served as Larnaca's water supply until the 1930s. This impressive structure was part of a complex water system that utilized tunnels to transport water to the town. It was constructed under the instructions of the local Ottoman governor and was designed to resemble the aqueducts of the Roman era. Today, the aqueduct still stands strong with its 33 arches spanning across the lush green fields, creating a truly awe-inspiring sight. Whether you visit in the evening when the arches are illuminated or during the day when sheep graze peacefully between them, you can easily reach the aqueduct by taking any city bus heading towards the K Cineplex.